Scientists plan to park the billion-dollar Gaia space telescope in Earth's shadow, around 1.5 million kilometres away. From here, without the sun's glare, it'll be able to survey the surrounding stars with unprecedented precision.
Oddly, one of the biggest things in astronomy that we don't know is how far away many of the stars are. We know it for the nearby ones, but not the ones further afield. And what Gaia will do is refine those positions to, in many cases, the 1% or better. So for the first time, we'll have an accurate 3D map of a large chunk of the galaxy.
Gaia uses two identical telescopes to track the movement of distant stars. Each has 5 mirrors, which focus the light onto what is effectively a billion-pixel camera, the most powerful ever put in space. This precision tracking technique will pinpoint the position of around 2 million stars an hour. That data, around 50 gigabytes each day, will then be transmitted back to Earth for analysis.
If we can measure the distances to lots of different types of stars in our own galaxy, we can look at more distant galaxies, look at those same types of stars, and if we see how bright they are there, then by comparing the two, you can work out how far away they are. So it gives us a wonderful map of a large part of the universe as a result.
Over the next 5 years, it's hoped Gaia will map and remap the position of around 1 billion stars. It will also be able to measure their brightness, temperature, composition and motion through space.
1,000 million stars that are going to be observed by this very powerful spacecraft. To map the way the galaxy is moving, we will know how the galaxy formed, how the galaxy is developing, and together with other galaxies, because it's applicable to other galaxies. Up to now, we can detect the wobble of a star by looking at the light from the star. We cannot see the wobble because it's too small, but Gaia can see it. And that wobble is due to planets. So if a planet is around the star that we haven't detected by other techniques, then Gaia may be able to find it as well.
Scientists also expect to discover new asteroids, tens of thousands of failed stars or brown dwarfs, and as many as 20,000 supernova or exploding stars. From such a detailed survey, it's hoped Gaia will shed light on the structure, contents and evolution of our galaxy, how it came into being and why it is the way it is. Tarek Bazley, Al Jazeera.